Every breath a gift unseen, every heartbeat where I've been. The stars above, they guide the night. Grateful whispers in the light. Alhamdulillah, I say it again. Alhamdulillah, through joy and pain. Alhamdulillah, in every tear. Gratitude eternal, always near. The rain that falls, the earth it feeds, the smallest flowers, the tallest trees, each grain of sand, each wave that rolls, grateful tides within my soul. I bow, I rise, I breathe, I see endless thanks for all that's given to me. Alhamdulillah, I say it again. Alhamdulillah, through joy and pain. Alhamdulillah, in every tear. Gratitude eternal, always near. When shadows creep and doubts take hold,